Hello everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial from STEM the Future. Today we'll be learning how to make tweets from a JavaScript application. So let's get started. First of all, you will need a Twitter account. So if you do not have a Twitter account yet, please pause this video and create a Twitter account now. Once you have that, let's go to apps.twitter.com. All these links will be in the video description though. Here I'm currently signed in, but if you're not signed in, it will ask you to sign into your Twitter account. You sign in and then it'll take you to this page. Here you will need to create a new application. You can name it whatever you like. I'll just name it STEM the Future. Put some sort of description. I'll just put something. Website, and let's just put we STEM the Future here. And then you don't need to provide a callback URL really. And you can go through the developer agreement and click on agree, and then create your Twitter application. Once you have your Twitter application, you need to go to keys and access tokens. These are your consumer keys and consumer secrets. You're not supposed to share it with anyone. If you think someone has access to your consumer key or consumer secret, you can simply regenerate it again. And let me mention you this, once I'm done with this video, I will be deleting this application, so you will not be able to use this consumer key and consumer secret or any of the information that you see on this page. So you will have to create your own application. Go underneath and you will need to create your access tokens. Let's create them. And here you have your access tokens. Sometimes it does take up to 30 seconds to a minute to be able to view these tokens. So if you don't see them, please wait patiently and they will appear. Once we have this set up, we will need to authenticate to Twitter. This allows Twitter to verify who's tweeting on whose behalf and if everyone is a legitimate person and registered and everything. This can be a complicated process, but luckily we have found a library online which is published under the GNU General Public License. It's called CodeBird. It is available on GitHub. Let's go to that library. We'll be using this library for our purposes for tweeting. This is the library. It is available on github.com/JUBLONET/codebird-JS. Again, the link to this will be in the video's description. Here, in order to use the library in a JavaScript application on a HTML file or anything, you will need the codebird.js file. Let's open that, and this is a quite big file, but nonetheless, let's get started with developing. Okay. Okay, let me open this on the side. Alright, I will be using WebStorm to do this, but you don't need to have WebStorm. You can simply do this in HTML, any sort of HTML editor. Even a notepad would do fine. So I have created a new project on WebStorm. If you do not know how to use basic functionalities in WebStorm, please watch a tutorial that we made on getting started with WebStorm. So here, right click, create a new HTML file. Let's name it index.html. And also let's create a new JavaScript file and name it CodeBird. Alright, just get rid of this. here we'll actually copy the entire library. And this is again like a very simple way of doing that. You can just paste it here. Go in your index.html file. Let's name it tweeting application. And let's script type text JavaScript, source is code word. Alright, let me quickly add a head style text sentence application. Okay. Now, to be able to use the CodeBird, there are examples of using it on the CodeBird's GitHub main page itself. Let's go to the top of the page, click on CodeBird.js, and here we can see all of that. And went up here. This is how you can authenticate using your own Twitter application, and we've already added this, so let's create a script tag, and let's create a variable cv equal to name code word. Again, you don't have to name it cb. I'm just following the convention to make this tutorial as simple as possible. Let's do set cb dot set consumer key. This is gonna be in quotations. Our consumer key is what we generated earlier on our application. Here, this is our consumer key. Let's copy that, paste it here, copy this, paste it here, and let's also set access token. Oops, no. Oh, set token. Okay, set token, and this is also gonna be in quotations or single quotes. Our access tokens are the tokens, or the ones we generated at the end. Let's just copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here. Alright, now in order to tweet, you can do various stuff. Once you have this set up, you can get some data from your timeline and all of this, but now we'll only show how to tweet. And in order to tweet, you can follow all of these codes, but I like this template the best because it's more intuitive. Let's just copy paste it here for now. Let's tweet we are tweeting earthquake data periodically. These are the functions that we have to call from the library, and the example shows you how to do that. And this reply is actually the reply that Twitter sends back after accepting your request. If the request had some problems or anything, it will probably be in the reply section. For now, we can just console log it, but you can do whatever you want, or you can even choose not to do anything with it. So this is pretty much it. Now let's test run it. Okay, so the application just ran. Now let's go to Twitter and make sure that our tweet was posted. Oh, here we go. So it says yes, we are tweeting earthquake data periodically 8 seconds ago. So our tweet was successful, and we have what we wanted. Again, this was a tutorial on how to tweet from a JavaScript application. Hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a wonderful day.